Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain pair of words. You have known pair means two, right? You have listened two or more words whose pronunciation is same but their spelling and meaning different. They are called homophones. This video is about such words. But in this video I am going to explain about two likely words, right? How to use these words, how to identify these words. In this video, I'll be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's start. This is T-A-I-L, tail. T-A-L-E, tail. Two likely words, little bit different pronunciation. T-A-I-L, tail. T-A-L-E, tail. Right? This T-A-I, consonants same, T-L. In between T-L, A-I. That is tail, right? A part of an animal's body. But here, T-A-L-E, tail, what is T? Consonants same, T-L, but T after T, A, after L, E. Right? This is what? A short story. A short story, kahani, a part of an animal's body, punch. Right? How to use it in sentence. Tail, one noun. Tail, noun. Right? Dogs wag their tails when they feel happy. Here, tails. Right? Noun. Have you seen the tail of a tiger? Then tail, a short story. Children like to listen tales from their grandparents. Have you listened tales from your grandparents? Right? Then week. W-E-E-K, week. W-E-A-K, week. Okay. Week is a noun. A period of 7 days. Understand? A month has 4 weeks. But weak, W-E-A-K, weak, not strong. Okay? She became weak after the surgery. Here, weak, W-E-A-K. Consonant same, W and K. In weak, W-E-E-K, consonant same, W, K. But in between W and K, double E, E-E. Double E, that is a period of 7 days. Hafta. Okay, saptaha. But weak, not strong, kamjor. She became W-E-A-K, right? She became weak after the surgery. Here, weak is one adjective. Next, diary. Diary, a book in which you keep daily record of events or experience. It is a book where you write daily records. Okay, daily data. That pronunciation is diary, right? Diary, D-A-A-Y-O-R-Y. Its pronunciation diary. But here, D-A-Y-A-I-R-Y. This is what? The difference is, this is I-A, this is A-I. Difference is that. But its pronunciation, dairy. Dairy. As you pronounce D-A-I-L-Y, what you say? Not daily. That is what? Daily. Daily. The same dairy. Dairy. Right? Dairy. So what's the difference between both the words? This is diary. A book in which you keep daily record of events or experience. It is a book. How to use this word? Where is my diary? Where is my diary? I am not getting it. This is diary, right? A noun. Then dairy. What's the difference? You get it? IA, AI. Dairy, DAIRY. Consonant same, D and RY. But vowel IA in diary, but in dairy, AI. Right? Dairy is a room or building where milk is kept for processing, from where you get cheese, butter, milk, curd, etc. Right? So, how to use it in our sentence? Dairy farms supply milk, cheese, butter and curd to the market. Next word, flour. Next word, flour. Right? FLOWER. What is flour? Flour. In Hindi meaning it is what? Full. Also, dairy. In Hindi it is also dairy. But dairy is dugdhalaya. Right? Next, flower. Flower. Right? The seed bearing part of a plant. You have seen the beautiful part of a plant, that is flower. Every day we offer flowers to God, right? Flowers to God. But this is flower, are silent, right? Flour. A powder obtained by grinding grain is called flour. We make flour from grains. Then peace, peace. What's the difference between two words? At first we should see the spelling, right? Peace, P-E-A-C-E. But in second sentence, in second word, P-I-E-C-E. This is I-E, this is E-A. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Meaning what? Calm and quiet or freedom from disturbance. Santi, right? Then how to use it in sentence? In peace, let us pray unto the Lord. Right? Peace. Next, peace, P-I-E-C-E. This is I-E, same pronunciation, peace. A part of a something. A part of a something. Right? Tukuda. He cut the rope into pieces. Okay? P-I-E-C-E-S. Pieces. Then fair, F-A-I-R, another fair, F-A-R-E. Right? In both the words, difference is that in between F and consonants is same, F and R in both the words. F, R. In between F and R, A-I, that is fair. What is it? Right, reasonable, white, clean. Okay? This is fair. He is a man of fair. Also the meaning of fair, honest. But fair, F-A-R-E, the price charged for a transport. When you do our journey, what money you pay, that is called fare, F-A-R-E. The difference, F-A-I-R, another F-A-R-E, right? That is fare, the price charged for a transport. He wants to go to London, but he cannot afford the fare. Here fare, F-A-R-E. Okay, F-A-R-E, the money charged for our transport, right? This is fare, F-A-R-E. I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.